regarding the APMCs with the farmers, and we want to resolve this with this type of the some amendments or the reforms in the APMCs, but that was not happen. Some states overacted, or some states acted in accordance with. Just like if you look towards the Bihar, they abolished all APMCs there. There is no APMCs in Kerala. And if you look towards the Maharashtra has given permission for the private market committees. So this type of the varied situation is there, but some amendments were there. Now, prior to this act, farmers can sell their produce anywhere in country, but he has to sell his produce in APMC only. That was the only condition at that time. In that regard, when we are thinking about this act, this type of the opening of the market is there. It's a good thing, but some conditions should be there for this type of, because there is a fear in the mind of the farmer is that if the APMCs are abolished and government is giving assurance of the APMC, but that APMC, the MSP, central government is procurement is going on at the MSP, but the government is procuring for their PDS system, public distribution system, and for the strategic sale only, strategic buffer stock, and that is benefited to only 6 to 7% of the farmers. If you go in the Assam, Bengal, or the Odisha Prant, these farmers don't know about any government procurement. They do not know about the MSP, so they are not the benefited. That is the main fear in the mind of the farmers. When this type of the open market will be there, for some time these big players in the market, they will procure their produce at a higher prices, then APMCs will be collapsed, and there will be monopoly of this type of the system. So there should be assurance is required to the farmers that their produce should not be sell below the MSP, because this is the main thrust of this total agitation is there. After the enactment of these 2-3 laws, you can observe that in only October and November month, there is a distress sale of whole agriculture produce within 2 months of the 30 markets of the country, that goes up to the 1900 crore rupees. So this is the huge loss to the farming businesses. That's why what I told previously, that our farmers are very much clever in production, but they are much failure in the sales. And that is why when we conducted the survey regarding the suicides, that was the main reason behind that. The cost of production is going up and up. That is not in control of farmers, and the farmers are not getting the remunerative prices for their produce. So that type of some arrangement should be there. Government is declaring and government is procuring, government is giving assurance, that is the correct. But there should be some legalized mechanism to assure the MSP to the farmers.